Yo, what's up there? The random guy here. Today I'm gonna be reacting to Butterside Down making a paper airplane. So there's this Butterside Down makes some short videos, but I'm gonna be linking the description there, the original video, and make sure to go ahead and subscribe to Butterside Down. And without further ado, let's begin the video. Making a paper airplane. Why he's using the cheese cutter anyways? Oh, so why don't you use the scissors? Oh, paper cut. I hate paper cuts. That I don't even know if I should show that. Oh, that should literally be a cheesy finger, rather than a boat. Why DW40? No, no. Rage. Oh, that no, 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 no! Don't try that. Literally, you'll get so burned up. Oh wow! Oh, he knocks himself down. Oh, I think so. I'm gonna cover that up. I don't think so. I will show that. I don't even wanna get a strike. Oh, oh! Finally, he did a paper airplane, but just raging a lot. I guess that's a soft problem. Why would you do that? I would say the same thing to me. If you have something perfect, literally, and then you just like have in your hands, and then you just trip, you're just gonna ruin it, like ruining that. So I mean, to make a perfect airplane, of course it's kinda easy, but literally, why would you put WD-40 in there if you that would just make it wet, like not that kind of wet, but wet, like even though putting WD-40 in your cuts would literally be a serious problem, but man, okay, that might fix the problem. For raging a lot, I think so. He created a perfect airplane, but he tripped. Why? That was one thing, like one thing. This next one is gonna be building a bird house. So I'm gonna be reacting two of them, and I know it was gonna be one, but I'm gonna be reacting to two. Since it's a short video, I'm gonna be reacting to two videos, and I'll be linking in the description there down below for the original video and to subscribe to buttersidedown. And let's go on to the next one. A beautiful day, sunny morning, huh? Building a birdhouse. Actually, I never built a birdhouse before, so I want to try if it works. Just build it, install instructions. And look, he's already like really hyped. But if I build one, I think so will birds come. I would just need to put bird seeds. I hope it works. Oh, what's he doing, my man, right there? Yeah, oh my god, you shouldn't have ripped it. I mean, you need to, I guess you need to do the bottom first. No big hammer will just break it. What was the point of that then? Oh, he almost tipped over with a coffee and now burned his face off. No. That was close enough. Close call. perfect. I mean, I guess that fixed the problem already. You don't need to use screws. Oh wow. Wow. I don't think so. You need to touch that with your bare hands. I. What? Why? Why would you drink that? No, it's not healthy. It's not even shaving cream. I mean shaving cream. Whipped cream. You mean? Don't even drink whipped cream. Mistaken. Don't need shaving cream. Neither that kind of thing. Which I don't even know what is it. Yep. Problem solved. You know, damn chill. The bird's gonna be full up. That's reasonable right there. Hiding. Great hiding spot. Just gotta wait. The passion. Gotta wait. Birds will come sooner. But I guess they won't go inside. It's kind of too tight right there. What's that? Zario was missed. Again with a WD-40? What is up with that? Why? Oh, you better run. Why? Don't mess up with the bees, guys. Literally, don't mess up with your bees. Like, how you just turn around with 1 second or 2 seconds and then come with a WD-40 again, and then also bees spawn there. I literally don't even mess up with bees. Last when I was a younger kid, of course I'm a teen right now. I messed up with the bees, and they literally sting me up in the head, and it hurts like cuckoos for real. And man, don't mess up with bees. Anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and it was only 2 videos, which I guess that makes sense. Like, I'm gonna be reacting to more videos, so I'll upload any kind. I'll be reacting to any kind. I'll do video games, whatever. I upload any kind of videos. I could do like the random uploader, the random guy. That was my old channel. I used to be called the random uploader in my old channel, but this one is the random guy. I'm gonna be reacting to any kind. And if they're funny, no, family friendly only, because I don't wanna get nothing about not strikes or more. I don't know. But that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. And I hope you like and subscribe, and go subscribe to Butterside Down, and thank you for watching. Yo, what's up there? The random